Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. This kind of slime. It's really fun to play with. Oh my god, it got on my phone screen. Oh god. Well, that feels so weird. So I'll back when I get the ingredients. And you get shampoo. And you get something to mix with and a bowl. And I first think you're gonna put the shampoo. Oh yeah, I forgot you need also salt. I forgot about that. First you put the shampoo. Yeah, sorry about that noise. And I'll be back when I get the salt. You put 2 pinches of salt. Then you keep mixing. Mix like for a minute. And then when I finish mixing, I'll be back for you guys. And then you put it in the freezer. I finished mixing it, and then you put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. And it will be ready. See you in 10 minutes. So that was it, and now it's really slimy and cool. Yeah. So I hope you have fun with the slime, and bye!